morning everyone, my name is Vanina and I'm the music captain. Welcome back to another LPS Assembly. We hope everyone is having a great term fall so far. Can you believe it's already week 9? I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognize their continued connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging. Here is Olivia.
Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm the music captain. Good morning everyone. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a nice strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Danishta.
Hello, my name is Danishta and I'm the Spanish captain. Good morning everyone. Here are this week's Cormorant Award winners for those students who have been displaying our Linda's Primary School values.
Thanks Danishta. Now it's time for our Cormorant Awards. Let's start this week with Year 1. And in 1A we have Heidi, in 1B we have Zainab, and in 1D we have Navaz. Well done. In Year 4 we have Bowen in 4A and we have Lana in 4D. In Prep we have Jake in Prep A, Tristan in Prep B, Ezra and Upka in Prep E, Shivam and Violet in Prep F, and Ethan in Prep H. In Year 2 we have in 2B Drexel, Amarit in 2C and Saloni in 2D. Year 3 we've got in 3D Josiah and DJ in 3E. In Year 6 Olivia in 6A, Jamie in 6B, Shyla in 6C, Sahale in 6D, and the last grade this week is Year 5. And in 5A we've got Sirat and Ethan, Paige, Keshon and Mansimran in 5B, Tiamani and Tom in 5C, and in 5E we have Lucia. Well done to all those people. Congrats.
Well done to all of our award winners, and a reminder for all our grade 3 students that if you would like to order a BYD computer for 2021 and beyond, your form is due by December 4th. That's only 4 more days to go, grade 3s. Now here's the Feather Awards.
And now it's time for the Cormorant Feathers, and we have 4 this week. We have Anna in Prep C for an outstanding improvement in her writing. This person is receiving it for working really hard, and that's in 2B, that's Nimrol. Also in 2B, for cleaning up the classroom, well done Mia. And in Year 3 we have the person who has done excellent buddy reading, and that goes to someone in 3E, and that's Miller. Well done.
Here's Sana.
Hello, my name's Sana and I'm the Spanish captain. Here is Mr. Sharp to present this week's principal's report.
Thanks, Sana. In this week's principal report, just want to remind people of making sure that they're playing safe out in the playgrounds and around the school. There's just been some incidents out in the playground with people who've been jumping around, being a little bit unsafe, and it's really important when we've got over 900 people here at school that you do it playing sensibly and playing games that are appropriate. So please make sure of that. I know I've spoken to a few grades just about some of their behaviours, and I've seen so many people doing the right thing, which has been fantastic. Let's continue that, because tomorrow is the 1st of December, so it's hard to believe, but we've only got 3 weeks left of school, and it's really important that we're doing the right things as we lead up to all the celebrations and fun things we have that happen at the end of the year. So that's it from me. Stay safe, and we'll see you again.
Thank you, Mr. Sharp. Before we finish our assembly for today, a special shout out to 2 LPS students who are watching on YouTube, all the way from Sri Lanka. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, these 2 students have been unable to return to Australia this year and be with their friends, or back here with us at LPS. So a big shout out to Navi from 6D and Nathan from 4A. We know you're watching. Keep your chins up, and your friends can't wait to see it again in 2021. Well, that concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Learners' values. Please stay safe and follow your teacher's directions. Bye!
Bye.